The pin module in UiFlow2 is used to manage the GPIO of a device, enabling flexible peripheral control and data interaction. Under Function Extension on the left, expand Hardware. Select the built-in pin function of the device, and click Confirm to load the module. In the Blockly list, under the Hardware directory, you can see the loaded pin Blockly modules. Drag the pin module to the workspace, initialize the pin function module, and you can start development and programming. Example 1. Use pin 1 to control an LED blinking. The case in the video needs to be wired by yourself. The above is the distribution map of the pins. Example to use pin 2 to record the input state of a button.